Hi guys, this is LaDacia. So I wanted to come to you guys and show you what I got in my Farmasi box. So what I have in this box is actually the 2025 Get It All pack from Farmers Energy that just arrived today. And also I do plan on trying one of the products. Actually probably in the next couple of minutes because I have not eaten breakfast. So I heard so much hype about these shakes. I said, you know what? I'm not going to eat just about yet. I'm going to wait till it comes because FedEx comes to my door in the morning, which is beautiful. So I am full of energy, guys. I am super excited. And we have this little beautiful product to thank, which is the Restore. So I have been up since 5:30 this morning. I did make a promise to myself to just be more intentional about just getting early, getting my day started. And I took this beauty, and within, I say about 15-20 minutes, I had a burst of energy. So I've already accomplished so much in this short time. I've done clean the kitchen. I've done some calls. I done did some work. I have been all over the place, and out of all the products I have tried thus far, this right by far is the VIP. We have like 500 products, but this is the VIP. So we're going to get into this. So I'm going to open this box up, and yes, I do have the TV on. Baby boy woke up early. Well, he actually woke up a little bit late this morning, so it wasn't too bad. So we have his cartoons on in the background while we do this. All right, so we're gonna. One thing I love about Farmasi, whenever they send out a package, it is very neat. So you don't have to worry about your products being all over the place. Okay, so first off, we have the meal replacement shake for weight control. This is the Cookie Crunch. I have heard a lot of great reviews about this flavor, and this is actually the flavor I am going to try, which I will do it in a separate video. So this is the Cookie Crunch. Next one is the same, but it is the cream caramel flavor, which I love caramel, so I think this might be a good one. But we're going to try the Cookie Crunch since a lot of people seem to go gravitate to the Cookie Crunch. Okay. And we have the liquid L-carnitine plus. Now, I do have the L-carnitine shots. Well, I'll just run and grab it because it's actually right here. This is the box. This, guys, has been a household favorite. I actually love this product. So one of the things I love about it is it's not like your typical like energy shot you would take to where once you take it, it has you feeling like that crash and burn feeling. Not this. This is all natural. It literally just gives you that good energy. And once, of course, it wears off, it's just a nice taper. This I have to keep in my house. I use it. My husband, who works outside, he swears by it. So we always got to keep this in stock. So I am so glad they actually came out with the liquid form, which I will give this a try probably tomorrow. I might put a little bit in my drink. That way I can preserve my shots for whenever I'm on the go, and also to pass out as samples. So we have this, and we got this is not part of the package, by the way. This is just my husband. So he actually got the face and body soap, which I will give to him later. And I got the eyeshadow palette. It is super duper cute. I'm gonna see if I can open it up for you guys just to take a quick glance at it. Yes, it is gorgeous. I love it. So this is the palette. So pretty. Okay, so that is it for the energy package. And of course, I got a free lip color with my order, which I will do a separate review on as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to have more information about the products and also to possibly partner with me, this company, I tell you what, I have not been this excited in a company for so long. And also too, the products I've been able to use with no problem. Love it. But guys, mommy duty is calling. Thank you for watching. Bye.